All right, welcome to the weekend. I'm CBS4 meteorologist Lisette Gonzalez in weather control. Thanks for logging on to cbsmiami.com. We had storms overnight, and now we're enjoying some quiet conditions. Enjoy it while you can. Look at that sunshine from our Broward camera in Fort Lauderdale. Later on, we'll see another round of rain. Low 70s in Fort Lauderdale and in Miami, 69 in Homestead, and nearly 80 down through the Keys. The wind's fairly calm or light out of the south through the Keys, and it's a really muggy start out there. We have a stall front just to our south that will continue to creep northward along with plenty of moisture. You can see that in the form of the cloud coverage. And then yet another front just to our north is going to continue to sag southward. So this is going to help to really squeeze a lot of moisture out into the atmosphere, which will become very unstable. And with the wind veering out of the southwest, that's going to help to focus any thunderstorms that develop along the east coast. Hence, the Storm Prediction Center is forecasting the risk of thunderstorms. A few could turn strong with some heavy rain, lightning, and gusty winds in spots. There is not a marginal risk of severe weather at this time. We would see the darker shade of green on that map. However, that could change. And with some of these storms, there is a slight risk of maybe an isolated severe storm. Really, throughout the day, keep your umbrellas handy. That is the bottom line. So as we take you through the future radar, we're actually going to see enough of a break and some sun to heat us up with the upper 80s, and the heating of the day along with the moisture is going to help fuel those thunderstorms to fire up right around 4, 5, 6, 7 p.m. So terrible timing as the evening commute is looking to be quite soggy and messy. But then just as we head into your Saturday, we're looking mostly clear and mainly dry with maybe just a few isolated showers. Today, though, unsettled, scattered storms developing with some downpours after we hit those highs in the mid to upper 80s. So a hot, steamy, summery day ahead, really. Marine forecast looking okay. Winds out of the southwest 10 to 15 knots, seas 2 to 3, a light chop on the bays. However, there is a red tide alert over on the west coast of the peninsula for places like Naples and Fort Myers, the southwest coast, and that's due to some hazardous materials in the ocean. So it's best to avoid swimming. You should avoid swimming if you're headed towards the west coast of Florida. Now, for us tonight, scattered storms, mild and humid, upper 60s and low 70s. As we head into your weekend, the good news is the rain chance will be lower, we'll enjoy more sunshine, and highs will be in the mid to upper 80s. Now Sunday there could be a few showers, and then Monday into Tuesday we'll wake up to lows in the low 70s, highs in the low 80s, and the breeze will be building, and the windy weather could lead to a few quick showers and also the dangerous risk of rip currents and rough boating conditions. We'll watch that for early to middle of next week. You can check in on the weather any time of day throughout the weekend right here at cbsmiami.com.